In this video, I'm going to show you how to see when KOLs mention tokens on X on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need, of course, is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Again, link down below. You will not regret it. So let's now go ahead and see how you can do this. So to actually see when KOLs mention tokens on their X accounts, you can go ahead and just basically pick any token over here, and you can set this up for every single token. So I'm just going to go with the first one over here for an example, and then here what you want to do is inside display options you want to click on that, and here it says X mentions. Make sure you click on that so it basically becomes like this, so it's turned on. And whenever you do this, then you'll be able to now see the X mentions on here on the chart as well. Okay, so as you can see here, we have two right now. It says like tweet from, and then the specific handle, you can just click on it and it's going to open up on X. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.